Similar to the fixed assets or property, plant, equipment, which has physical substance, intangible assets also is an important operating asset. It represents exclusive rights that provide benefits to the owner. It lacks physical substance, difficult to anticipate the timing and the existing future benefits attributable to many intangible assets. Intangible assets can be purchased from another business entity or individual, or they can be developed internally. And the accounting for these two different transactions will be different. For intangible assets that has infinite useful life, similar to the property, plant, equipment, we amortize the intangible assets. Basically, we allocate the cost of intangible assets to the useful life. And some intangible assets, for example, goodwill, is considered to have indefinite useful life. So it is not amortizable, but it is subject to impairment. This is another topic. Intangible assets with infinite useful life also subject to impairments. Intangible assets with indefinite useful life is not amortizable, similar to the land or PPE, which is not depreciable. And the cost of intangible assets, we are talking about the purchase. It is purchase price plus any other expenses to get these assets ready for intended use. It is a table summarize several typical intangible assets: patent, copyright, trademark, franchise, and each has different useful life. Patent, 20 years, copyright, 70 years. After the death of the creator, trademarks, 10 years. For franchise, depends on the time granted, and these are cost as part of the value recorded in the book. These assets also called identifiable intangible assets. All of them are subject to amortization.